Okay, so this is a monitor. It's an old AOC DVI monitor at the DVI port, and I've got a DVI to DVI cable connected up to my Yaesu. And I've got the Yaesu on the receive antenna. Monitor is creating all that noise. So, and if I put my hand up here, see it come up? See a signal come up? That's because there's no shielding in the screen, in the front of the screen. When I had this connected up to my little Yaesu 710, it worked for a few minutes. Then I went to transmit. I may have had some RF in the shack. It wasn't getting into the microphone, and it sounded okay to whoever I was transmitting to. But that started going flickery, and then it went out. If I turn this monitor off, watch, I'll hit the off button. There. All that noise went away. Don't need it that much for my Ftdx-101D. That screen is a lot bigger. Of course, the FT-710 has a much smaller screen, and it'd be more enhanced if it had a bigger screen. But I'm not going to transmit. I've got a couple of screens, and I am not going to transmit. Nope, not me. Until I can find a screen that's a little less problematic. And I got one here, a small one. That guy. That is a touch screen. It's got a glass panel on it. The metal of it is, the back of it is metal, and it does not create, I don't have a problem with that. And it doesn't make the noise. And it is a inexpensive LCD display portable monitor from China. It was about $100. And that's the model number. If you're interested in it, it comes with some cable that's designed to go on a Raspberry Pi, or it's a DVI input. And it comes with some DVI cable, an adapter, and that works really good. And it's although it's smaller, it's not much use, because you can see it's only a little bit bigger than this one. For me, no, I'm going to stay with this one, not use that one for this radio. If I get my FT-710 fix, I'll probably use that. And I need to research maybe some of these bigger, nicer LED monitors. You get one with a touch screen, which this one isn't. Maybe it'll be better shielded. Yaesu doesn't mention that, not to my knowledge. And I don't see a lot on YouTube about the screens causing interference. Of course, that'll do it on any radio. I've got a Hermes light and Thesis software that I run on my computer, and it does the same thing. When I got that monitor on, it makes all that noise, and if I'm trying to work with somebody and that noise is interfering, I have to shut the monitor off to be able to hear them. And it doesn't, again, this monitor is fine. I can use it on my Hermes light. I can use it on this guy. And hopefully I can use it on my FT-710 if I send it back to them and if they repair it under warranty. But I still don't know why, because I've used my Hermes light. I've used monitors. I've used the HDMI cord to the monitor, the HDMI monitor, and I've 500 watts on 20 meters, 1,000 watts on 80 meters. Never a problem with my computer. It doesn't damage the port there. I do get the noise, and I have to shut the monitor off to get rid of the noise, unless I'm using the little monitor. Little monitor works good because it's shielded. Most monitors are not, for what I know. Anyway, that's what I'm finding out and what I know. So 7 3s from me, KB8 KCO.